Hello, we are in a very interesting era. We are in an online era. We do shopping online. We do our education online. Whether we are in campus और हम correspondence से कर रहे हैं कोई भी course हो without online resources, without online education हमारी education पूरी नहीं हो पाती है. Online order for pizza for restaurant. We don't go to a restaurant, but we just book the order online and they give a home delivery to us. From chatting to dating, everything is online. In fact, the most one of the most biggest companies in retailer, they don't have any store, they don't have any shops. Yes, I'm talking about Amazon, Flipkart in India, Snapchat, Snapdeal, all these technology companies, they are doing their business online. And yes, thanks to web development. It's all because of web development. It's all because of the web developers who are doing these things and keeping these things ready for us to use. So, isn't it interesting to be a web developer? And do you want to be a web developer? If your answer is yes, then welcome to this course. मैं आपको बताऊंगा what is web development, why we should do, and how we can build our career in web development. इसके साथ ही हम और भी बहुत सारी बातें करेंगे and we will remain online. So, welcome. My name is Shahid Khan and I am an industry expert in front-end web development. I have over 10 years of experience in IT industry and I have played different roles. And my favorite role is web front-end developer. Officially, I am a read front-end developer in one of the uh, one of the MNCs, a product-based company, but that is out of context. So I would like to take you to this journey for your development as a web developer, and I hope you will enjoy it. Let's start. But before that, हम ये देखें कि who is the audience, who is the correct audience for this particular course. This course is not very advanced course, but this course is a guide to you. So the ideal candidates are the students who are doing a technical degree. Any technical degree or want to build a career in IT industry. So preferably BTech, MTech, MCA, BCA, BSc, or any technical degree where you want to develop a career in IT industry. Job ready. So you have completed your degree. Now what to do? You are searching for a job. But being a uh, before being able to get a job, you have to be job ready. Campus selection हो जाते हैं, but it does not make you job ready. और बहुत कम लोगों के campus selection होता है. But no matter what, you have to make yourself ready for the job. And this course will tell you what you should prepare and how you can become one. Freshers in the industry. So it's like you got a job, but you don't know what to do. Most of the times, unfortunately, what happens in IT industry is you go as a fresher and you are told to do something. So a small training is given to you and then you are told to do something whether you like it or not. आपको अच्छा लगता हो नहीं लगता हो, so you don't have a say there. But when you go to your company, if just think about it beforehand, if you have very good exposure, very good experience in a particular technology or in a particular role, then you can demand it. And trust me, it works. This course is also for junior front-end developers जिन्होंने अपना करियर अभी अभी शुरू किया है and they want to learn more. Back-end developers. कई बार you feel saturated doing back-end and you want to enhance your career. So front-end development is a very good feather in your cap. It can enhance your career as a front-end developer or as a full stack. And full stack has more value. Why? Because you can do end-to-end project handling by yourself. So let's see what I'm going to cover in this particular course. So we'll talk about what is web development and what are things involved in web development. So it is kind of introduction I will provide to you. Why you should be a front-end developer? ये बहुत एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है. अभी फ्रंट एंड डेवलपमेंट आप हर चीज़ देखिए, मोबाइल, टैबलेट्स, लैपटॉप, जो भी आप यूज़ करते हैं वो या तो किसी वेब टेक्नोलॉजी में बना हुआ है या फिर नेटिव मोबाइल ऐप में बना हुआ है. बट एवरीथिंग इज पार्ट ऑफ वेब डेवलपमेंट. Yes, mobile web development is a little different because it involves separate frameworks, but the concept is same. In web development, what you use, same concepts apply there. We'll talk about some history and what is the current status of the web और हम यहाँ तक कैसे पहुँचे हैं. We will talk about some basics of web and web industry or web technology, and then we'll talk about client server. So client server architecture बहुत important है. जब तक हमें end-to-end communication समझ में नहीं आएगा, we will not be able to understand how the whole thing works. And it is very critical for the interview preparation. We will talk a little bit about HTTP and DNS. We will talk a little bit about basic building blocks like HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and I will tell you which are the topics which you must know as a web developer. हम लोग थोड़ी बात करेंगे टूलिंग्स के लिए. आप एज ए वेब डेवलपर आपको क्या टूल्स चाहिए रहते हैं जो आपके डेवलपमेंट में हेल्प करते हैं, आपकी ग्रोथ में हेल्प करते हैं. एंड विल टॉक अ लिटिल बिट मोर अबाउट द version controls and different frameworks available, and also for unit testing. Yeah, frameworks, there are a lot of frameworks, and sometimes there is a confusion between web developers. They just want to jump to the frameworks like Angular, React, Backbone, Knockout. But you should understand all these frameworks are based on JavaScript, the basic. So if your basic is clear, you can adopt to any development framework, any JavaScript framework. So concentrate on your basics. And लास्ट में हम लोग बात करेंगे इंटरव्यू प्रिपरेशन की, एंड आप किस तरह से खुद को प्रिपेयर कर सकते हैं. सबसे पहले आपका टेक्निकल नॉलेज आपके लिए कितना इम्पोर्टेंट है. और सिंस दिस कोर्स इज़ नॉट वेरी एडवांस, I will give just the things for you to prepare. So be mindful, ये कोर्स एक वेब डेवलपमेंट ट्यूटोरियल नहीं है, बल्कि हम लोग एक डिस्कस कर रहे हैं कि वेब डेवलपमेंट है क्या और आपको क्या क्या टॉपिक्स और क्या क्या टेक्नोलॉजीज़ कवर करनी चाहिए, क्या क्या टेक्नोलॉजीज़ का आपको नॉलेज होना चाहिए, उस हर टेक्नोलॉजी में क्या क्या टॉपिक्स हैं जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट रहता है to make you a web developer. So this is just a guide for getting you some direction to grow and nurture your career. तो हम लोग थोड़ी बहुत बात करेंगे, and after that we will see the in-depth. So I will tell you what are the topics you need to cover, and you can join the different courses for those. So let's start, and thank you for joining.